looking here at a cartographic curiosity. It's a 19th century enormous color lithographed, linen-backed folding map of Lac Saint-Jean in Quebec in Canada. And the map is highly detailed with this very intricate delineation of the townships around the lake. There's an inscription at the lower left that we saw from 1889, so that we know this map dates from at least that time. It would appear as though it may well be the top portion of a larger map, but this is what we've got as we found it, and it may well have been purchased separately, since that name is down there at the corner, because this is the area that they needed. It's difficult to know for sure, but at any rate, the map is without question very scarce due to the format and scale and size of it. It folds up nicely as it was apparently issued, and it's currently available on my website, briandemambro.com.